Jamie at shopmask.com. Welcome to another Mask Minute. So if you are feeling like your skin is dry, dull, lacking energy, kind of lackluster, then I have a product that might be good for you. It's the Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Deep Cream. So this is a product that's part of a series within the brand that all use vitamin C and collagen. The other products that we have are an eye cream and a serum. So as the name implies, the two key ingredients are vitamin C and collagen. Vitamin C is a stabilized form of vitamin C that can actually be utilized by your skin. A lot of vitamin C is not actually stabilized, so it's kind of useless in the product, but this one is actually stabilized, so that's good. And then it contains plant-sourced collagen, and these two ingredients together are going to help to energize, rehydrate, smooth, all these things just make your skin look much fresher, younger and brighter. Also contains a few other interesting ingredients that you don't see in every face cream. It contains a proprietary energy complex which consists of carnitine and niacinamide, and then it contains a few other neat things like superoxide dismutase and coenzyme Q10, which are restoring ingredients, and then a few different oils, japonica, rice bran and sunflower seed oil, and those all help to really nourish the skin on a deep level. I'll show you what it looks like. It's a nice rich cream. It kind of looks like that. Let me tap there 1 sec. There we go. So yeah, it is definitely a rich cream, but not greasy. Goes on nice and light, absorbs well into the skin. I would probably personally use this as a nighttime cream, but you can use it in the morning and evening if you want to. So yeah, check it out, the Vitamin C plus Collagen Deep Cream from Dr. Dennis Gross on shopmask.com, and of course in our store in Vancouver too. Thanks for listening.